Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to enable game turbo in your Poco smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to just simply open your settings, and then you have to click on search. Here you have to write game turbo like this. And friends, you can see there is no game turbo feature. You have to click on security. Let's check in this security if it is there. Click on skip. Now here you can see friends, there is a game turbo feature. From here you can enable this like this, and you can just, if there is no game, you can click on settings and enable this game turbo from here. And yes, it has. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.